Without great emails, your brand is losing money every single day. Hey there, my name is Zamur aka Timmy. I'm an email marketer and I have been doing this for almost 10 years now. My clients have seen up to 45% of their revenue coming from just email. I can help you capture more leads, recover lost sales, and increase your lifetime customer value from email marketing. First, we will set up some critical flows that every single e-commerce brand needs. To recover lost sales, we will have a abandoned cart flow. To engage interested prospects, we will have a browse abandonment flow. To educate and nurture new leads, we will set up a welcome flow to do that. For more orders, we will set up a post-purchase flow. Of course, retaining a customer is always better and cheaper than finding a new one. So we'll set up a win-back flow for our lapsed customers so that we can bring them back. Of course, to thank our customers, we will also have a customer appreciation flow. I will also create lead gen pop-ups for desktop and mobile devices that you can use to capture more leads from your website. If you're ready to get started and make more money from the emails, send me a message and let's do it. Thank you.